Marie Muller was born July 10, 1847, Vienna, died March 21, 1935, Vienna. She was an Austrian portrait painter. In 1872, she attended the preparatory figure drawing classes at the Kunstgewerbeschule, now the University of Applied Arts, under the direction of Michael Rieser. The following year, she began taking private painting lessons from Ferdinand Laufberger. She studied with him until 1880. For the next 10 years, she worked with her sister, Bertha, as a portrait painter in the studios of their brother, Leopold, at the Academy of Fine Arts. One of the professors there, August von Pettenkofen, became a sort of mentor. Leopold was known as an Orientalist. She had her first exhibition in 1886, at the Vienna Künstlerhaus, presenting 7 portraits, and continued to exhibit there every year.